Teresa is a fitness coach in Guilin of South China's Guangxi. She chose to stay in China during this year's Spring Festival.
My feeling about the Chinese New Year is the most important holiday they have here in China, and they spend it together. All the families, no matter where they live, they get together to pass Chinese New Year together. 祝大家新年快乐，强度4斤，Happy New Year！